Okay, guys. So next we are going to learn about profit percent and loss percent. So what is profit percent? What is loss percent, guys? बघा काय आहे ते. So when determining the percentage of profit or loss, it is compared with the cost price. Getting, guys? It is compared with the cost price. So when we say that the profit or loss was 10%, we mean that the profit or loss is 10 rupees if total cost price taken is what 100. समजलं. जर आपण म्हटलं की सपोज कॉस्ट प्राइस 100 रुपीज आहे, आपका सीपी जो है, जे सीपी तुमची आहे, दॅट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस इज सपोज इट इज 100 रुपीज. देन इफ वी से 10% प्रॉफिट, दॅट मीन्स 10% प्रॉफिट म्हणजे 10 रुपीज, और 10% लॉस मीन्स 10 रुपीज लॉस. समजतंय का? सो when we compare it with reference to 100, it is known as profit percent or loss percent. Now let's see one example given to us, and then we will move towards the practice set 34. Chalo. 33, I think. So Abbas bought vegetables worth rupees 400 and sold them for 650 rupees. Balbir bought fruits for 300 rupees and sold them for 500 rupees. So whose transaction were more profitable? So in these types of questions, you need to find out the profit percent or loss percent. So here obviously selling price is greater than the cost price. See here, this is cost price of vegetables, this is selling price of vegetables. So obviously there is a profit. Here also there is a profit. But profit ta hai, but we must find out ki profit percent किती आहे. Then we can conclude whose transaction is more profitable or was more profitable. So Abbas made a profit of 250 rupees, Balbir made a profit of 200. So however, the cost price of each was different. Cost price different hoti. Cost price the same असते. Then we can easily determine, but it is not the same. So to compare, we shall have to find out percentage of the profits. So let us suppose Abbas made A% and Balbir made B% profit. Abbas and Balbir. Now, A upon 100. A upon 100 is equal to 400 upon 250. 400 upon 250. Similarly, B upon 100 is equal to 200 upon 300. So this is the profit actually. This is the profit, not the selling price. This is the profit, not the selling price, guys. Lakshat kar. Now we will solve this. So you get A is equal to 62 and half, B is equal to 63 2 upon 3. So obviously the profit of B is more as compared to the profit of A, that is Abbas. समझते हैं? Seema bought vegetables for 800 rupees and paying 40 rupees for transport, bought them to her shop. On selling the vegetables, she got 966. So did she make a profit or loss? काय असेल आणि कितना है वो भी फाइंड आउट करना है. So total cost price, cost of the vegetable plus transport charges 840. कितीला विकले? 966 ला. So what is the profit? Profit is 126 rupees. So 840 ला 126 profit झाला, तो y upon 100. So you can get here the answer is what, guys? 15% profit Seema made. She made 15% profit. Getting, guys? So question number 1 बघा इथे आता तुम्हाला कळेल. Maganlal bought trousers for 400 and shirt for 200. Sold them for 448 and 250 respectively. Which of this transaction was more profitable? मगनलालने 400 रुपयाची पॅन्ट आणली, 448 रुपयाला विकली. शर्ट आणलं 200 रुपयाचं, 250 रुपयाला विकलं. समझा? देखो 400 रुपीज का पैंट लाया उसने, ट्राउजर लाया, एंड ही सोल्ड, कितने में बेचा? 448 रुपीज में. 200 रुपए का शर्ट लाया, ही सोल्ड इट एट 250 रुपीज. सो विच ऑफ दिस ट्रांजेक्शन वाज मोर प्रॉफिट? किसमें ज्यादा प्रॉफिट उसको मिला? गेटिंग, गाइस? सो इफ वी कंसिडर हियर, बघा इथे वी कैन युटिलाइज द स्पेस, गाइस. आपण इथे स्पेस युटिलाइज करू शकतो. So we can write here that let he made profit of a% by selling trouser and B% by selling shirt. By selling shirt. Getting by selling shirt. Now, yes. So now we can use that. बघा. Color change करतो. नाही option. See. A upon 100 is equal to A upon 100 is equal to, guys, what is the CP? Cost price किती होती? 400. And what is the profit? What is the profit? 48 rupees. Profit किती आला? 48 rupees. So if we solve this, याला solve केलं, you'll get, guys, काय मिळेल तुम्हाला बघा इथे 0 0 कट झाला and 4 ने डिवाइड केलं. So you will get A किती मिळालं तुम्हाला? 20, sorry, 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 12%. So he got the profit of 12% in first transaction. Similarly, B upon 100 is equal to, what is the cost price of shirt? 200. And what was the profit? 250 ला विकलं ना, so 50 rupees is the profit. Now solve this. 0 0 0 0 cut झाले, 2 5 50 divided by 2, that means 25%. The 25% profit इकडे झालेला. So you can write that. You can write the answer. Answer कसं लिहिणं बघा इथे. इथे लिहूया आपण answer. So which of this transaction was more profitable? So what can you write? The selling of shirt was more profitable than selling of trouser. Or you can simply write the transaction of shirt was more profitable than transaction of trousers. Question number 2. Ramrao bought a cupboard for 4,500 and sold it for rupees 4950. Shamrao bought a sewing machine for 3,500 and sold it for 3920. Whose transaction was more profitable? Similarly, आपला सोडवायचा आहे. We have to find out whose transaction was more profitable. See here. Yes. So we can utilize the space बघायचे. एक मिनिट. चलो. Now let's see here, guys. काय लिहिलं तुम्ही इथे? Let Ramrao made a% profit. And Shamrao made B% profit. Now we will solve this. Here, A upon 100 is equal to, what is the cost price of cupboard? 4,500. And what was the profit? Profit directly. Actually, the direct profit दाखवतोय. You can use the formula of profit and you can find out profit. It is profit at 4,500. See, 4,950 minus 4,500. That is 450. 450. Solve this, guys. 0 0. 0 0. Okay. Here 41 the 45 45. So answer किती आलं तुमचं? 10%. किती आलंय? 10%. So हे किती आलं तुमचं? 10%. Yes, very good. and then B find out करा इकडे. B upon 100 is equal to what? What is the cost price of sewing machine? 3,500. And here 420 is the profit. 420 is the profit. Now solve this. 0 0 cut. Now what is the B guys? काय मिळेल तुम्हाला B इथे? 420 35 म्हणजे किती झालं तुमचे 7 ने डिवाइड करा. 7 6 जा 42 and here 7 5 जा 35. That means 12. किती आले? 12 आले इथे. 12%. Right? Here it is 12. So that means you can write the answer. Answer करू शकतो तुम्ही. Whose transaction was profitable? So Shamrao transaction Shamrao was more profitable. So we'll move towards the next question. Before that, we can write to formula here. बघा कोणकोणते formula थे. So एक मिनिट. You can write percentage profit. Percentage profit is equal to P. P means profit upon CP means cost price into 100. If you use the formula, तुम्हाला लगेच आन्सर मिळून जाईल. जर तुम्हाला त्या पद्धतीने मेथडने जर रॉंग वाटत असेल किंवा जर थोडं कठीण वाटत असेल, you can use this formula guys. And percentage loss or loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss upon CP into 100. Getting? Loss upon CP into 100. समजते? So if we use this formula, then you will come to know की आपण पहिल्या गणितामध्ये बघूया. So question number 2 मध्ये आपण युटिलाइज करून फॉर्म्युला बघूया इथे. Question number 2 आणि question number 1 also. Same answer you will get here guys. बघा इथे मी कलर चेंज करून दाखवतो. So first जर आपण विचार केला 400 and 448. So what is the formula? 48 is the profit. CP is 400 into 100. Right? So solve this. तुम्हाला solve केलं तेच मला आन्सर बघा इथे 12%. Right? Same answer मिळालं 12%. And even this one also. हे पण तुम्ही solve करा. You'll get the same answer. So these formulae are there. Please लिहून ठेवा ते. We'll move towards the next question, guys. चला लक्ष द्या पुढचा क्वेश्चन बघूया आपण. Hanif bought So Hanif bought one box of 50 apples for 400. He sold all the apples at rate of rupees 1. I read it. 10. Okay. So one apple he sold at a rate of rupees 10 each. So was there a profit or loss, and what was its percentage? Getting guys? Now first we will find out कि बाबा CP and cost price क्या है. चलो first we'll find out CP, cost price of apples, is what 400 already दिली तुम्हाला. Then selling price of apples. Now 10 rupees for one apple into 50, that is 500 rupees is the selling price. Selling price is only 500 rupees. Getting 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Okay. Now here selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, he had a profit. So how much is the profit, guys? Profit the formula guy. How much is the profit? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 500 minus 400 is equal to 100 rupees. 100 rupees is the profit. Now profit percent काढायचे, right? Profit percent काढायचे. So let's see here. Same formula use करूया आपण. Percentage profit is equal to what? Profit upon CP. आपण formula use करूया आता. Profit upon CP into 100. So what is profit? 100 rupees. What is the selling price? Sorry, cost price 400 into 100. Now solve this, guys, and you'll get the answer. इथे बघा 0 0 कट करायचा 0 0 तुमचा गेला 4 1 जा 4 and here 4 2 जा 8 50. So your answer is 25%. The answer is 25% is the profit percent. समझा? Profit percent is 25%.